Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change time in BMW 1 Series. First, make sure your car's ignition is on. You'll be using the iDrive controller, typically found in your center console. Begin by accessing the main menu on your BMW's central display screen. This is your starting point for all time adjustments. Once on the main menu, use your iDrive controller to select the car option. After that, you'll see a list of choices. Rotate the controller to highlight and select settings. From there, navigate to General Settings to find the specific options for your vehicle's clock. Now, within General Settings, find and select date and time. Here, you can adjust the hours by rotating the iDrive controller. Press the controller down to confirm the hour, then repeat the process to set the correct minutes. You can also adjust the date and time format here. After setting the correct time and date, take a moment to review your selections on the screen. You can also choose to enable or disable automatic time zone updates. Once everything looks correct, simply exit the menu. Your BMW's clock will now display the updated time accurately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.